As you all know that for the last 3 months, the entire world is struggling hard to cope up and contain the deadly virus, corona. And of course, as a human being, we will fight against coronavirus disease, and we will be moving towards our future in a healthy and colorful way, right? And in this aspect, I would like to remind you about two words. One is hope and the other one is health. These two words has got a vital role during this crisis, because we know that almost 213 countries are affected by coronavirus, including India. But in India as well as in Kerala, we were quite happy that we could contain this COVID-19 in a certain extent. And coming on to the two important words, health and hope. So even though the world is struggling, we are struggling to move on with our colorful life, we have a hope. And as per Thomas Carlyle beautiful quotation, he who has hope has everything. Of course, we are moving towards this hope, and he who has hope has everything. But for that hope, we need to have our personal existence. Because, hope you got the point. If we want to go with the hope, we need to have as a flesh in this universe. For that, we need to have a healthy life. And coming on to that healthy life, I would like to remind you some of the things which can be utilized during this crisis. Of course, we know that the scientists are behind finding the vaccination for coronavirus. Of course, with our own natural and human resources, we could and we will find the vaccine for this. But for the time being, we have to live with the coronavirus, right? If you take the education activities, if you take the family activities and our business and entire society, we have to move here and there, even though the COVID-19 is here and there. So we have to be a part of this COVID-19 crisis, and we have to move with the coronavirus. We have to live with the coronavirus in the sense until we find a vaccine. And the best and the feasible way to live with the coronavirus is improve our immunity. So that, just like what the slide says, get away from me. If I have a very good immunity, get away from coronavirus, please get away from me. And for that immunity, what we have to do is, we have to do a lot of exercises. And before moving to that exercises and all, let me take your attention regarding the physiology of immunity. We got two types of immunity. One is innate immunity, that is natural and inherent. The other one is acquired immunity, otherwise called adaptive immunity. There we can boost our immunity by doing moderate exercise. And you can see different studies corroborating the effect of exercise in boosting immunity. And even in March 2020, a great research done in the American College of Medical Science corroborated, justified the previous studies that exercise has got a strong relationship with the immunity. And if you do 30 minutes, minimum 30 minutes to 45 minutes, mild and moderate activity, we can boost our immunity. So I don't want to prolong my starting session. So it's high time to change our lifestyle. Of course, the entertainment must be there, and we have been living in an entertainment world as students. But the COVID-19 is really an eye opener. It's high time to change our lifestyle so that we can flourish our hope towards colorful and long-lasting way. For that, what we have to do is do some kind of physical activities for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And of course, being the dynamic students, you will have your own excuses. Say, this is a rainy season and we don't have enough place, we don't have enough ground to practice. That depends upon our attitude. Whatever be the rain, whatever be the, if there is no places, you don't bother about that. You have to find time to do some kind of exercise so that you can get away from this crisis, I mean coronavirus. And go through these words. It's not the chances, but the choice decides our destiny. Right? Of course, chances are there, chances may not be there, but the choice that makes your destiny. Okay, thank you very much.